it out. Timed out well. This is what I use. Let's see if the client is also the exact
Should be.
I haven't kept up to date. Do you just manually count? Okay, what's a Humi account? But I'm gonna finish my
Did you change your chart?
What do I do?
Did you add the abandoning Hebrew?
How do I do that?
The one that she sent was the same one that we got. It's just that page
Or who sent it?
I think it's pretty sure she talked. I don't know.
Or you had talked to her?
I think I don't know. She's a song. She was talking.
Question one's easy because you're just writing.
But I don't
Because
know.
they gave everything.
I can send it.
But question two, it's
Find it because the page was my job. So once she uploaded that, I can send it. So it's like different.
I removed the abandoning,
And I put it into like.
and I changed it to the
Oh,
patenting,
you're doing it right now.
and then it's
Oh,
the
okay.
same
Question
like
one's not
the
bad. You'll finish it
0.4
super soon.
probability,
Question two's kind of weird, right?
Yeah, I think the probability.
But like,
Yeah.
do you have
One of the
same thing
abandoning
that you
on
did in
like
class.
the
Yeah.
test market?
And now we have like
Okay,
we
'cause
have
I didn't
four,
put that.
four legs.
No, I don't put
Technically, because
abandoned.
we could have a no launch as well.
I
No?
don't have it on
Or no?
slide.
Oh wait, here.
I
You
don't
can just do
know.
abandon.
Okay, yeah, that's what I mean. Like we could have one that's just abandoned.
So abandon, just
that-
find it.
Like
Yeah, for
here,
the-
right?
for the-
You
Yeah,
put
just
abandoning.
When you
No,
just sell
for
the patent.
after this 2-1,
What is it right?
we put success here.
Because I remember 25 years
And then,
value or something like that, and then it goes up to something and it goes down.
national market,
And
and
then abandoning.
then patent.
Yeah, I'll show you after class, man.
I put patent as a new brand.
We call it a put call parity, and then we'll move on to option price. And depends on how much time I have, I may skip the fractal formula and talk about how we apply option theory to capital structure first. Alright, because I want to make sure that you can finish your assignment number 4 at the end of this lecture today. Alright? Now we have a lot of different parity relation in finance. Like interest rate parity, purchasing power parity, those are the parity in international finance. Now in option, we have one important parity relation, we call it put call parity. Now let's look at how we prove the put call parity. Now first of all,
It's like a month of
consider two strategies. The first strategy is to buy a call option. So the green line represents the payoff. Alright, if you long a call option with a strike price of 25. So any strike price, let's say 25. Now at the same time, you buy a bond, a risk-free pure discount bond, which has a face value of 25. So that means at maturity, you will receive 25 at maturity. Alright, so this maturity is the same as the call option. So both the bond and the call option, they will expire on the same day. Alright? Now if you do so, your payoff will be the red line, which is the sum of the payoff of a call option and the payoff of a bond. Right? This is a risk-free bond. That means no matter what happens to the stock price, you will receive this fixed amount, $25 at maturity. So the red line is the sum of the two lines. So what you do is just vertically add the black line and the green line. Alright? So this is your portfolio payoff. Now the second strategy we look at is the protected put strategy. We discussed it last week. So this strategy is you buy a stock, at the same time you buy a put option. So here, I believe this is the black line. The black line is the payoff of the put option. Again, this put option has the same maturity as the call option and the bond, and same strike price of 25. So it has to be the same, alright? So all securities, bond, the call, and put, they have the same maturity, same exercise price or face value, okay? Now, the green line all the way up is the payoff if you own a stock, alright? So now when you have this portfolio, your payoff will be the sum of the two. That is, you add the black line and the green line vertically, you should get the red line. All right? Now, if you compare the two strategies, they have exactly the same future payoff. So if there's no transaction cost and the market is efficient, then the two portfolio should have the same cost today. Because if they have the same payoff in the future, they should have the same cost today. If one is cheaper than the other, there will be arbitrage opportunity. What you do is buy low, sell high, right? Because their future payoff will offset each other because you long one and short one. So in the future, well, you just offset each other. But today, you will have a positive inflow, right? If you buy low and sell high. So that's why we have this put call parity. Now this put call parity actually linked the 4 securities we discussed last week. Remember, I drew the 8 diagram. One is for call, one is for put, one is for stock, one is for bond. Basically, this connect all 4 securities in this one simple parity relation. All right? Now I don't know how to remember this parity. Actually, you don't need to remember the formula, the diagram. So basically, just write out the. So we call it put